Here's a simple way to improve your Google Ads performance without increasing your budget. Ad extensions. In this video, I show you what ad extensions are, where to find them, and why beginners should always use them. Hi, I'm Jasmin, and in this video we focus mainly on screen sharing inside Google Ads so you can see exactly what ad extensions are and how to add them step by step. First of all, what are ad extensions? Ad extensions are extra pieces of information that make your ads bigger, more visible, and more helpful. They can show additional links, extra text, contact options, and location info. So ad extensions don't replace your ad, they enhance it. Why do ad extensions matter for performance? Google likes ads that are helpful to users. Ad extensions make your ad more relevant and useful. So the benefits are that you get more visibility on the search results page. As well, you can get a higher click-through rate, a better user experience, and you will often get a better quality score. Important, you don't pay extra for ad extensions. But before I show you how to add ad extensions, I want to show you the Google search results. So let's say we're looking for a gym in Melbourne. We're typing that in. So here you can see the sponsored results, like all the ads of the gyms who bid on the keyword Gym Melbourne. So here you can see the headline and the description. And here the blue thing, this is clickable. These are the site links. So this is one ad extension. As well, here you can see multiple payment options or order online or call now, like the things with a dot. This is actually a call out, an ad extension as well. And here you can see brands, Nordic Track, Proform, Lifespan. This is actually a structured snippet. So all these things are ad extensions. But I'm going to explain that in detail now. So where to find the ad extensions in Google Ads? So you have to go to Google Ads. We are already inside. Then under Campaigns, you have to click under Ad Groups and then under Ads. The most important ad extensions for beginners are Sitelinks, callouts, and snippets. I will start with Sitelink extensions. So Sitelinks add extra links below your ad. For example, can be pricing information, contact information, or like the info to book a call. Why they help your ad get more space, the user has more options to click on, and it can lead to a higher click-through rate. So now let's pretend we are creating ads for this gym. So I already put some headlines in for this gym, and the headlines should match the search intent. Yes. As well, I put in 2 descriptions just for this tutorial. Membership. Yeah. Okay, and now we can actually start putting in the site links. We start here, we click on this, and then we adding our site links. So here already on the right side, you can see how it looks like, the ad actually. So our site link text is 24/7 gym access, for example, and we can put the first description in it, and the second one, just for this tutorial, I do, 24 hours open. And now we will put our final URL, like a specific landing page specific for this site link. Yeah, just like that. And then we would enter our site link too. Our second site link can be membership options. The first description can be that. And second, we can just write no contract. And then we will look here on the website, actually under memberships, and we will copy this specific landing page and we will put the URL here. Okay, so now we can click create and we put already our first 2 site links. I would say between 2 and 4 site links are ideal, but for this tutorial I only enter 2. So let's go to the next ad extension, our callouts. So callouts are short text highlights. For example, free shipping, fast delivery, 24/7 service. So for our gym, we could enter the call out like that. Some call outs actually is suggested, but if we're not using that, we're clicking here on new call out. And to save us some time here, I already entered the call outs. So basically call outs communicate value quickly. They highlight the benefits without taking people away from the ad. So now we're gonna save the callouts, and here as well you can see how it will look like. So here you can see all the callouts on the campaign level, so we click apply. And to see the structured snippets, we need to click under more asset types and then scroll down a little bit. So here we find the structured snippets. We click here. So first we will change the language. And now we can select a header type. For example, we can choose between amenities. For example, if the gym would have a pool, we can enter that under amenity. Or like, yeah, these are the different categories. So I would recommend to do courses because this is quite, yeah, it makes sense when talking about a gym. So we click courses. For example, we can put in Zumba, or let's say functional training, spinning, like basically everything which is offered in the gym. So here on the right, you see again how it will look like later. We click create. And then we click save. And if it's relevant for you, you can do a call extension as well. We have to click here. So you would need to enter your phone number. And I recommend that for location-based searches, where it can actually make sense when someone is calling you. So for the gym, I would say you can use call extensions if someone can actually answer the phone. And if you actually scroll up, you can see how our ad will look like with all the extensions. So here's a preview. You can see the headline, our descriptions. Then you can see the structured snippets like our courses. Then the call outs, what we have entered. And then here you can see the site links. So the site links are clickable. So here you can see that Google gives us different variation. So Google doesn't always show all ad extensions. It shows the one it thinks is most relevant for each search. And one more thing regarding the ad rank and the position. So the extensions typically only appear with higher ranking ads. If your bid and your quality score is low, the extensions will likely be hidden. So make sure that you have a good quality score. Actually, many beginners don't follow these steps and not using any ad extensions at all, which is very bad. Or they add too many without any meaning. They use generic text, or they're forgetting to update the ad extensions. So ad extensions should support the ad and not confuse the users. For beginners, I recommend starting with sitelinks, callouts, and structured snippets, like the one I just showed you, because these three alone can really improve your performance. So, as a quick recap, ad extensions make your ads bigger, improve the click-through rate, help users decide faster, and often improve performance without extra cost. If you're not using ad extensions, you're leaving performance on the table. If this video helped you to understand ad extensions and how they improve performance, feel free to subscribe for weekly beginner-friendly tutorials. I make everything as simple as possible. And if you ever need help with your Google Ads, my Calendly link is in the video description.